What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I am your host, Carolina Martinez Arevalo, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we discuss our equity preferences as the Q3 corporate earnings season gets underway in the U.S. U.S. stocks are hitting new highs as the Q3 corporate earnings season begins. We think earnings strength in the U.S. will keep broadening beyond tech. U.S. stocks have kept outperforming other regions this year, even with the sharp pullback in July and August. Soaring tech valuations and earnings, together with the rest of the market outperforming tech more recently, have driven this outperformance. In the U.S., the near-term macro backdrop supports risk-taking, even as markets have priced out some Federal Reserve rate cuts. The Fed is cutting, even as growth and the labor market hold strong. We think the earnings gap between top tech companies and other sectors will keep narrowing as a result. We still favor the artificial intelligence theme, but investor concerns about big tech spending on AI linger. We have expanded our preference for AI beneficiaries beyond tech to sectors like utilities, energy, real estate, and industrials. We recently trimmed our Japanese equity overweight due to a stronger yen dragging on earnings, yet we stay positive. Rapid wage growth, a low unemployment rate, and corporate reforms support earnings growth. Elsewhere in Asia, hopes for major fiscal stimulus have halted earnings downgrades for Chinese stocks. We've turned overweight Chinese stocks given their attractive valuation and this policy signal, but that doesn't change the long-term structural challenges we are concerned about. We stay underweight euro-area stocks given weak growth and a more limited earnings and sales recovery. Yet, we see opportunities in sectors like financials that have kept outperforming and healthcare as it intersects with mega forces or structural shifts. Here is our market take. We stay overweight broad U.S. stocks. We have expanded our preference for artificial intelligence beneficiaries beyond tech. Outside the U.S., we are overweight Japanese stocks. We are underweight European equities, but get selective by sector. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com